If you want to know how to buy shares of Applied Digital Corporation, this brief guide will walk you through the process. Applied Digital runs large data centers and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker APLD, and this content is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, typically by uploading an ID, and add funds to your balance before buying. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker APLD to find the listing on NASDAQ. Confirm you select Applied Digital Corporation from the search results to ensure it's the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company's summary and recent news, and check the price chart for recent movements. Make sure the page clearly shows Applied Digital Corporation and the APLD ticker before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to purchase. Review the order details and confirm to submit it. If the market is closed, the order may queue until trading resumes. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the video description.